Have you ever felt stuck inside of your comfort zone and wondered what might happen if you stepped out of it? Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. My name's Lyndsey, and a few weeks ago I decided to take on a whole new adventure and start challenging myself through overlanding. And I'm here to document my journey and hopefully inspire you to challenge yourself in other ways, in ways that feel right for you. I believe that growth happens when you step outside of your comfort zone. For me, that's overlanding, hiking, camping, and being outside, honestly. But more importantly, I still value things that make me, well, me. Like staying feminine while enjoying all the little comforts that I love in my life while still being out here. This channel is not just about overlanding. It's showing you that you can still pursue adventures and challenges while still staying true to who you are. However, I will be showing who I am as a traveler, a young entrepreneur, and someone who's always learning and growing. If this sounds like a journey that you would like to follow or even start one of your own, then hit the subscribe button and follow me. And let's do it together. Let's grow together, challenge each other, and I can't wait to share my journey with you.